Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials: a modern browser and either the hosted ATT and CK Navigator or your local copy. Once ready, open Navigator and load a layer file or choose a blank layer to begin mapping. Make sure to set scope, enterprise or mobile, and define the assets and timeline you care about. This matters because layers drive visualization and filters. Without scope, you'll misprioritize techniques. Now, proceed to import any baseline data so you can ground the first mappings in real findings. Once done with scope, apply filters to reduce noise. Select tactics, technique severity, and confidence levels you trust. Then, start marking techniques. Color code them by priority or evidence and assign owners. Color consistency helps teams move fast. Make sure to group related techniques into sublayers so you can toggle contexts and add concise notes or links to evidence for each entry. This step-by-step tagging translates raw data into actionable items, and it makes the Navigator a living plan rather than a static checklist. To finish, export your completed layer as a JSON for reuse and as a PNG for quick briefings. Include the legend and metadata so recipients understand your encoding. Then, share the layer through a versioned repo or secure link, and document choices in the layer description so others can reproduce your reasoning. If things go wrong, verify you used the correct ATT and CK matrix version. Refresh the matrix and validate the JSON before importing again. This usually resolves missing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.